Hi there everybody, it's Carol here bringing you another video. Today I'm bringing you a Papercraft Society video. It's a reveal of November's box. This is the first box I've had and I have had a look because I couldn't resist. But you get this beautiful box and you get from my craftess to yours a beautiful box of products to pamper your creativity. Helen. So I'm going to take everything out of the box because it comes... And then there's another code and a gift, so everything will go back in the box. This is a pamphlet and it's telling you, it's giving you some ideas on how to use the stamps and the dies you get. So it's quite good. A memory book, some good ideas. This tissue paper, so you get all this tissue paper, and in here you get 3 ink pads. So Paper Society, I assume, PS, with those beautiful colours. I like small ink pads, they're so cute, I really do. Crystal brad, something, and I have had a look. You get all these beautiful, look, can you see, I'm not sure. Crystal brads. So there's something you don't get very often anymore, really, is brads. Metallic pen. And also in the box you've got all these like confetti bits. They've all stuck to this, look. So lovely metallic pen in silver. That's going to look gorgeous. Little bit of white ribbon. And then go on digging, that's what I would do. Oh, and on the back of his, map sizes, so the card size and then what the layers. So that's really good, so I like that. And then I didn't look, coordinating cardstock, so I've got some really pretty card in there. That's so nice. What I'm going to do is just fold this tissue up and put it back in the box like that card back, put everything back in so I know where it is at the minute. I was at the NEC yesterday and I bought so much. I don't normally buy a lot, but I did. So everything needs to find a place, and it will do soon. This is also what you get. Simply Made Crafts by Helen Griffin. And I've already... No, I haven't done this one. So you get stamps and some foil. So yeah, there you go. There's the stamps. Believe in the magic of Christmas. I love that. And then that's... Right. So then, I'm not going to show you the die yet. You do get a beautiful embossing folder, which I think that's going to be so pretty. And some designer paper. Now obviously this designer paper goes with the cardstock. So it's in the purples and pinks. That's really cute. That can go back in there. I love this folder. This is so cool. Be a good gift giver. Right. Then you get all these dies. Now, you get rather a lot of dies. So, I'm so pleased you get this book. Because in this book, I read somewhere, was it at the front or the back? Maybe it's at the front. I'm not sure. Yeah, there it is. So, what's in your box? So there it is. So you get 20-piece die set. There's everything you need to create a book or a gift bag in the kit, and of course lots of special cards, a perfect panel. So I'm going to have to take everything to pieces and just check out what I've got. There's some decorative words, tags, sentiments, snowflake. There's some foliage, so there's some leaves, holly leaves there, and leaves there, look. What else? Star bow, photo corner, and much more. There's a bow, look. That looks like a buckle. not sure. So I'm going to have to have a play with that. I think I'll keep it all as it is, have a play and see how it cooks. I bought myself a Gemini yesterday. There you go, look. See, it's like a buckle. So this will tell me how to use the dies and make the books, I'm sure. So yeah, so that's what you get. I have subscribed. I've subscribed for a year. We don't need to say that too loud, because I just thought, do you know what? I do all this paper crafting and I share with all my classes and everything. And I just thought, do you know what? I'm going to get this each month and I'm going to make something with it. I hope I have time. I'm sure I will. So take care, everybody. If you subscribe to this, let me know how you get on with the dies, because that would be really interesting. And no doubt I'll come back with some videos on how to use them myself. So take care. Have a great day. Bye.